Hello everybody, what do you think of this piece? It's called Toucans Need to Know Their Place, which is a pun because when I put the toucans up and down like this, then the space between them that's created, the negative space, is a flatfish, a place. So they know their place. We've also got this shape, which I've turned into two angelfish, and then between their beaks is a cheeky fish. So four elements: the toucan, the place, the angelfish, and the cheeky fish. We've got a limited palette. We've got the butterscotch, the golden green, the umber, and then the black and the marigold. It's a limited palette. And I've written an accompanying verse which I hope explains the humour of this piece. It goes like this: Toucans need to know their place when they decide to have a race. It's awfully hard to be the leader when your negative space is a bottom feeder.